as you can see, the Mavic is all set up and ready to go. And I did make these little marks out of this green Sharpie on the cardboard, and hopefully that will help us to know how close the Mavic gets to its original point. So I'm going to go ahead and take off, and then we'll get on with the flight. So CSC command, going up, and I go up to about head height and look down. There's the Mavic, and look up, and let's get going with the flight. Alright, so you can see that we're kind of down there. There's a landing pad, and of course there we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly over to the softball fields, which we're pretty much already there. And there is a good deal of wind that we're going into right now, so hopefully that doesn't affect the way that the Mavic returns to home. And we're only really peaking out at 7 miles per hour, so it's definitely a strong headwind that we're coming into right now, but everything is looking pretty good so far. So hopefully that means that we are good for getting to our destination, and then the flying back should be a breeze, literally. Alright, so we've made it to our destination of the softball fields, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and hit return to home, and let's see how close it gets. So we're about 300 feet up. You can see the Mavic is coming back in the distance, of course, and it's trying to line up with where we are, and let's see how good of a job it does. So we're pretty much right on top of the landing spot right now, and I know it's kind of hard to hear with these beeping going on, but looks like it's doing pretty well. And as you can see, the target in the center screen is really focused right on it. So let's see as it comes down how close it gets. Alright, so that was the Mavic Pro landing, and looks like we got a good 4 inches away from the original spot, but that is amazing. It still stayed on the landing pad. So yeah, that's the return to home test video. Plenty of good news about the Mavic return to home. If you have a landing pad about this size, about 2 feet by 2 feet, you should be plenty if you want to do the precision landing in the return home. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.